How to contact OneXBet customer support. First of all, open the OneXBet app and look for the menu icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the Order tab inside the menu. Scroll down and you will see the option Customer Support. Tap on it. Here you will find options like chat, callback, online call, contacts, and payment queries. Live chat is the fastest way to get in touch with a support agent. Tap on it and you will be connected to a representative who can assist you with your issue in real time. If you prefer speaking directly, you can use the callback or online call option. Just tap on either one, provide your details, and the support agent will call you back or connect with you through a voice call. This is helpful if your issue needs a detailed explanation. For specific concerns about payments, select the Payment Queries option. This will direct you to the right team who can assist you with deposits, withdrawals, or any transaction problems you might have. You can also find general contact information under the Contact section. This includes official email addresses and sometimes phone numbers, giving you multiple ways to reach out if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to contact OneXBet customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.